All right. So, right, we did the first page together. So on mine, it's blank. But we'll start at number 5. Okay. So our graph should look something like this. Okay. Now, if your graph doesn't look like this, it's probably because when you did your second reflection, you used this line again. You used these points again. So yours probably looks something like this, right? That's something like what your triangle looks like, this thing that I just drew. It should be over here. Could somebody let them in? Okay. So it should look something like this. So what you should have gotten is for B, it should have said a translation, right, which is just a slide. Okay? So it should have been 10 units to the right, and your equation should have been this, right here. Okay? X plus 10, comma y, because the y doesn't change, and the x changes by 10. Good there? Okay, good. So next page, this will be number 6, or actually number 7. Okay, so it says, what is your conjecture about the relationship there might be between the distance between the lines of reflection and the distance the original triangle moves to reach the ending triangle? That's a lot of words to say. I want you to look at this length right here between these two lines, and then I want you to look at the distance between this triangle and see how they're related. Well, the distance between these two lines is 5, and the distance from this triangle to this triangle is what? 10. Okay? So what can we maybe conclude about the distance between these two lines and the distance between the first triangle and the last triangle? Crickets. It's doubled, right? So the distance between these two lines of reflection is half of what the distance of the full translation would be. That make sense? More or less? Okay, good. Right, so that's just a general rule that you should keep in the back of your mind to check your work. Right? On the quiz, if you see, oh, the lines of reflection are 2 apart, the total translation should be 4 apart. Right? Okay, because it's double. Good. So the answer here you should have gotten is x equals 4, a reflection along the line x equals 4, and x equals 9. Okay? Good. So we've only got 2 more to do real quick, and these will go quicker. Okay, again, this is another translation. Anytime the lines are parallel, the lines of reflection are parallel, it's a translation. Anytime they intersect, it's a rotation. Okay? So it should have been, for C, how far did ABC move to become A double prime, B double prime, C double prime? I said it moved 10 units to the down. Which, the to the down, that was a typing error, but it's still fun to say. You know, to the down or to the up. Okay, and so your formula should have been x comma y minus 10. And last page, first of all, are we all still okay here? Do we have any questions about how to do this? No? Okay. Good, so 11, it said, right, another translation, because these lines are parallel. It moved 10 units to the up, this time, to the up, which is a thing. And then for number 12, it should have been x comma y plus 10, because y is the only thing that changed, and it changed 10 up. And then I just said, it asked about your hypothesis, and mine was correct, because I know all the answers. Because I'm Mr. B. And are there any questions about how to do that, why I did that? No? Perfect. See, that is what I like to hear.